Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mon, and we're going to be talking about investigation 4.1 today. We're talking about what happens when air masses collide. And for this lab, we're going to have some ice water, and that's going to we're going to have two air pressure or air systems, air masses from ice water. We're going to have two from hot hot water, and then we're actually going to do one that's a hot water and tea kettle. So kind of three labs in one today. And then for this lab, I got to turn off the lights so you can see the smoke. So I'm going to set the first one up here, and then we're going to do cold water and cold water. Okay. And then if you hang on for a second, I'm going to pause this. So here we have our cold water and our cold water, and then here we have our punk stick, and it's kind of tough to see, but as I put that in there, you can kind of see that the smoke is not going down. It's actually going up, and this is the same for both sides. All right, it's not going up. It's actually, or it's not going down. It's actually just going up. So, and there's no wind in between here. There's no air mass changing there. So I'm going to switch out the cold water for the hot water. All right. And then the first thing you'll notice, it might be tough to see on the camera, is that you're going to get some condensation due to the warm air. And then much like the cold water, the hot is not going to want to go down. It's going to go up. All right. So you can kind of see that. All right. And then finally, all right, we're going to put a lit tea candle on one side. And we're going to put the cold water on the other side. All right. And then here we have the lit tea candle representing hot, dry air. And on this side, we have moist, cool air. So we have two different air masses meeting. And then if you actually look, okay, if you can see this or not in the camera, but the smoke is actually traveling down the cold. So it would be the high pressure system. And then it actually travels across the tube. It's tough to see with the webcam. And then actually travels across. All right. And what that creates is wind between the two air masses. And if you look, I don't know if you can see the tea kettle very well, but it actually causes that tea light to flicker and demonstrating wind. So wind is created when two different air masses collide. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. I know it was tough to see because we had the lights off. If you have any questions, talk to your teacher, talk to your friends, and have a great day, Cardinals.